Good morning. I'm Brenda. I'm teaching mathematics. Today we are going to discuss about our first chapter, chapter 1, rational numbers. Before starting our chapter, we should know what is a number system. What is a number system? What is a number system? Number system is a set of numbers. Number system is a set of numbers. There are different set of numbers is there. First one is a natural number. What is a natural number? Natural number is also known as a counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, etc. are the natural number. And another one is a natural number included with 0. That is called whole number. Natural number included with 0. That is called whole number. Then next is combination of negative number, 0 and positive number. Combination of negative number, 0 and positive number is called integer. That is a third set. Then fourth one is our chapter name, that is a rational numbers. What is a rational number? What is a rational number? That is a number which can be expressed. A number which can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where Q not equal to 0. Where P by Q is a standard form of a natural number and where Q not equal to 0. Do you know why the Q not equal to 0? Here P by Q. P is our numerator, Q is our denominator. That means P is a numerator and Q is a denominator, and also P is a dividend, Q is a divisor. P is a dividend and Q is a divisor. And one example I will show you, 3 by 0. Here 3 is a dividend, 0 is a divisor. How we can do? How we can divide this 3 with 0? Is it possible? No, it is not possible, because it is not able to divide any number with 0. That means it is not defined. That means that answer is not defined. It is not defined because any number is not divided with 0. It is not possible. And also a 0 divided by 3. Here 0 is a dividend, 3 is a divisor. Here it is possible because 0 is a dividend and 3 is a divisor. Any number, 0 is divided with any number, we will get the answer as 0. And that means we can conclude that we can divide 0 with any number. The answer is always 0. But any number divided with 0, that is not defined. These both are different cases. Now we are going to discuss about the equivalent form of rational number. Equivalent form of rational number. Equivalent means that is also that a rational number, that same rational number, the equivalent form or equal form. Equivalent form. Equivalent form. That means one example I will show you. First one, 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is a one rational number. Just we multiply numerator and denominator with any number. That means here I multiply numerator and denominator with 2. What we will get? 1 into 2, that is 2. 2 into 2, that is 4. That answer is 2 by 4. Then another one is 1 by 2. Numerator and denominator multiply with 3. What we will get? 3 by 6. Now we got 3 by 6. Another one, 1 by 2. Numerator and denominator multiply with 4. What we will get? 4 by 8. Here 1 by 2 is our given rational number. Then if we multiply numerator and denominator with 2, now we got 2 by 4. This 2 by 4 is the equivalent form of 1 by 2. Similarly, 1 by 2 is multiplied with 3. Numerator and denominator is multiplied with 3. What we will get? 3 by 6. This 3 by 6 also a equivalent form of 1 by 2. Also 1 by 2, another 1 by 2 multiply with the numerator and denominator, multiply with the 4. What is our answer? 4 by 8. This 4 by 8 is also a equivalent form of 1 by 2. And another method, here this is a multiplication method. Next another method is 72 divided by 60. This is a large number. Another equation, here both are even number. So we can both number divide with 2 because both are even number. What is the answer? Here what we will get? 36 divided by 8. Now we got 36 divided by 8. Now 36 and 8 is also a even number. Just divide numerator and denominator with 2. What is the answer? 36 divided by 2 is 18. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 18 by 4. Again this 18 by 4 is a even number. Again we can divide numerator and denominator with 2. What is the answer? 9 by 2. And 9 by 2, there is no other common number in between them. So we can stop here. Now 72 by 16 is our rational number. If we divide numerator and denominator with 2, after that we got 36 by 8. This 36 by 8 is a one equivalent form of 72 by 16. Same way, after dividing this 36 by 18 with 2, 18 by 4. This 18 by 4 is also an equivalent form of 72 by 16. Same way, that 18 by 4 is divided with 2. Then after that we got 9 by 2. This 9 by 2 is also the equivalent form of 72 by 16. In two cases we can find out the equivalent form of rational. First one through multiplication. Second one through division. These are the examples of two equivalent rational numbers. Some more examples we will discuss now. Another example. 7 by 2. 7 by 2. 7 by 2. How we can do this? 7 by 2 multiply with the 2. Numerator and denominator multiply with the 2. What we will get? 14 by 4. This 14 by 4 is the equivalent form of 7 by 2. Then again 7 by 2 multiply with the numerator and denominator, multiply with the 3, 21 by 6. This 21 by 6 is also an equivalent form of 7 by 2. Then 7 by 2 numerator and denominator multiply with the 4. What you will get? 28 divided by 8. 28 divided by 8. This is also an equivalent form of given number 7 by 2. And so many, infinitely many numbers we can write through multiplication. Then what about division? Next example, division. 125 divided by 50. 125 divided by 50. Here both are multiples of 5. So we can just divide. Numerator and denominator divide with 5. What we will get here? 25. Here we got 10. 25 by 10. Again we can divide with 5. What is the answer? 5 by 2. Here 5 by 2. We can stop here because there is no other common factor in between. So only that 125 by 50 is our question. Then only we got two equivalent rational form of the given question. 25 by 10 and 5 by 2. But in the case of multiplication we will get infinitely many equivalent forms of the rational. But in the case of division we only limited or definite number of equivalent forms of a rational number only we will get. Okay, did you understand this? Okay, then next one. Next one is the standard form. Standard form of the rational number. Standard form of the rational number. Standard form of the rational number that already we discussed in that equivalent rational number. Reducing form. This standard form already also known as reduced form. Reduced form. That means in the equivalent form already we discussed the division method. That is also a standard form. Similar one example we will discuss. 240 divided by large 120. 240 divided by 120. Here 240 and 120 both have 2 is a common factor. Just divide with the numerator and denominator, divide with 2. What we will get? 120 divided by 60. Again both are even number. Divide with 2. What is the answer? 60 divided by 30. Again both are even number. Divide with 2. What is the answer? 30 divided by 15. Again 30 by 15. What is the common factor in between them? Here 3 is a common factor. Here also 3. What is the answer? 10 by 5. 10 by 5. Then 10 by 5 common factor is 5. So what is the answer? 2 by 1. So 2 by 1 is the standard form or a reduced form of 240 divided by 120. Standard form of 240 by 120 is 2 by 1. One more example. (220) divided by 72. 220 divided by 72. What is the answer? Here both are even number. Divide with 2. Numerator and denominator divide with 2. That answer is 220, that is 110 divided by 36. Again both are even number. Divide with 2. What is the answer here? 55 and here 18. Here there is no other common factor in between them. So 55 by 18 is the standard form of 220 divided by 72. One more example we will discuss. One more example. 350 divided by 225. 350 divided by 225. Here 350 and 225. No doubt the common factor is 5. Common factor is 5. Divide with the numerator and denominator. Divide with 5. What is the answer? 350 what will come? What is the answer? 70 will come. Divide by 225. 45 will come. 45 will come. Next 70 and 45. Again common factor is 5. So 70 by 5 is 35. Here, sorry. 14. 70 by 5 is 14. Then 40 by 5, 45 by 5. This is 19. 14 by 9. There is no common factor in between them. So this is the reduced form or a standard form of a 350 divided by 220. Okay. Next is addition of rational number. Addition of rational number. Addition. How we can do this addition? Okay, first there are two cases. First case, if the denominators are same. First case is if the denominators are same, and second case if the denominators are different. If denominators are same, what we will do? How we can add that to rational number? Example, 3 by 4 plus 9 by 4. 3 by 4 plus 9 by 4. In this case, what we will do? 3 by 4 plus 9 by 4. So here denominators are same. That addition is very easy because just we add the numerator. 3 plus 9 all divided by 4. New denominator is always same. What is 3 plus 9? 3 plus 9 is 12 by 4. 12 by 4. What is 12 by 4? That is 3. Answer is 3. 3 and that means 3 by 1. 3 by 1 that is 3. So 3 by 1 is the answer of 3 by 9 plus 4 by 9. Here if the denominators are same, what we will do? We add the numerator and that same denominator. One more question we will discuss. 9 by 11 plus 21 divided by 11. Here denominator, both denominators are same. So 9 plus 21 divided by 11. Answer is 30 divided by 11. Here 30 divided by 11 is the answer. Then first, after completing this answer, we should check is there any common factor in between them. If is there any common factor in between them, we just divide that common factor and write the standard form of the answer. Here 30 by 11, there is no other common factor in between them. So 30 by 11 is the answer. One more question we will discuss. By 25 plus 22 divided by 25. What is the answer? 3 by 25 plus 22 by 25. That answer 3 plus 22 divided by 25. Answer is 25 divided by 25. What is the answer? 1 by 1. That is equal to 1. So the answer is 1. 3 by 25 plus 22 by 25. That answer is 1. Okay. Next is addition of a rational number with a different denominator. Then we can do one method, that is a cross multiplication. For adding that rational number with a different denominator, we are using cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. Cross multiplication, how we can do? First question, 7 by 4 plus 3 by 4, 3 by 5. Here first we should check the denominators are different. Here both the denominators are different, numerator is also different. But we will do in this case. Here cross multiplication is, here first we consider the numerator of the first rational number. What is that? 7 into denominator of the second rational number, that is 5. 7 into 5. Then here that addition sign, then put addition sign. Then next we consider denominator of the first rational number, that is 4 into numerator of the second rational number, that is 3 into 3. Then all divided by denominator into denominator. 4 into 5. 4 into 5. What is the answer? 7 into 5, that is 35. Plus 4 into 3, that is 12. Divided by 4 5s are 20. What is the answer? Here now we got the common denominator, that is 20. 35 plus 12 is 47 divided by 20. Here is there any common factor in between them? No other common factor in between them. So the answer is 47 divided by 20. So the addition of 7 by 4 and 3 by 5 is 47 by 20. This is the answer of the given question. One more question we will discuss. Okay, one more question. 5 by 11 plus 2 by 3. 5 by 11 plus 2 by 3. First we should check the denominator. Here both the denominators are different. In this case, what we will do? Cross multiplication process. Cross multiplication process, here 5. Numerator of the first rational number 5 into denominator of the second rational number, that is 3. Then addition plus. Then denominator of the first rational number, that is 11 into numerator of the second rational number, that is 2. All divided by What is the denominator of the first and second rational number? 7 and 11 and 3. 11 into 3. What is the answer? 5. Answer will be 5 into 3, that is equal to 15. 11 into 2, that is 22. All divided by 11 into 3, 33. What is the sum of 15 and 22? That is 37 divided by 33. Is there any common factor in between them? No, there is no common factor in between them. So we can say that 37 by 33 is the answer of 5 by 11 plus 2 by 3. Okay, I hope you all are understood this portion. Okay, this much only today's portion. Thank you.